Hi guys, let's check our sausages. I'm just gonna move it a little bit so the other side will cook as well. Sorry about that, she wasn't focusing properly because I'm watching my hand not getting burnt by my oven. So you can fry it if you want, or you can just bake it like I do. I didn't want so much oil on my cooking, so I just bake it in here. So just wait until that one's nice and green, nice and brown, so it's beautiful and crispy, and then pop it in your pasta. So like I said, which I have prepared earlier, so you can see beautiful pasta. Smells good too with this mild curry. And I'm just going to quickly show you what sausages that I use. So these 8 sausages, sorry I did say 6 before, but I used these lovely honey flavored sausages, and it's beef, gluten free, no artificial color or flavors, so it's a really healthy, beautiful beef sausages that I'm cooking. And I'll just quickly show you the peas that I also use for my vegetable. So it's snap frozen peas from Woolies. It was just a handful, a cupful, so it wasn't much. And then the beautiful pasta that I use is these Vita Smart Fiber, twice the fiber, same great taste panini. So it is absolutely beautiful. It's 4.5 star, and health star rating is 4.5, sorry, and it's low GI. So this is the pasta that I use, and it's beautifully cooked. I just boiled it, and this one is going to be absolutely delicious. So that's my free make of this lovely dinner that we're going to have tonight. So while that's cooking, I am going to continue with my other things to do. I'll let my beautiful sausages cook. So that's part number 2, and next time I will be videoing when that one's nice and brown, and then I'll cut it up into bits and pieces and add it into my beautiful pasta and green peas. And again, we bake it for 5 to 10 minutes to blend all the lovely curry, and it should be very nice for dinner. Alright, so we'll see you in part 3.